So hello everyone, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So I have started a new series in which I am going to cover the Java stream. So what I have decided is that I am going to cover the automation with the Java stream so that we can have both hands-on on Java stream plus how we can use that Java stream in our automation test scripts. So here you can see I'm on the Eclipse right now. So I have a simple Maven project, and you can see in the POM that I have a Selenium dependency plus I have a JUnit dependency so that I can run the test cases using JUnit, or you can have a TestNG as well. It's up to you. So if you are not aware about how to create a simple Maven project, simply you have to right click. Simply you have to go here, you have to create a new, and from here to the other, and then you can simply from here you can create a Maven project. So I have already created it to save our time, and I have added two dependencies. One is JUnit and another is Selenium Java. So let's get started we can do how we can start scripting with the Java stream. Okay, so let's get started. So before we start the script, so we can uh, look into the scenario first. So I'm using this demo website here. You can clearly see, and we have all these tabs. You can see computer electronics, all these tabs. So what we are going to do, we are going to assert the name of all these tabs. Okay, and we are going to use the Java stream. So this is what we are going to do. So this is the demo site I'm using. So let's go to the code side. So now to save our time, I have already written the code that is that is navigating to that particular website that I have already shown you, and along with that, I have my list in which I have all the expected values that we are going to assert. It means the name of the tabs that were on the website, and along with that, I am simply initializing the Chrome driver and then navigating to this demo website. And this the thing you can clearly see that uh, I have a CSS selector of all the tabs you can see, and I have it in all this the all tabs list, all the locator, all the tabs I have saved it in all tabs. So now we have to assert the labels with this expected values, right? So let's use the Java Stream API, and let's start with the all tabs and dot stream method. So this stream method can only be used with the collection objects. And then we have for each API I'm going to use here, and then uh, I'm using lambda expression here. And first thing we can do is we can simply print the each label while reiterating. Okay. So now what we have to do is whenever it is going to iterate, we need to check if this specific element ELE you can say is in this list, the expected value list. So what we can simply do is expected values dot if it contains this specific. Okay, so we can do here is we can use the boolean here and simply flag. Okay, then we can simply use assertion. And simply we can use the flag. So let me again reiterate the code. So we are using the stream function, and then we are for iteration of each of the element we are using for each loop, and here the lambda expression we are using. So first of all, we are just getting the text of each this element, and then we are here checking here that if this each element text is contained within the expected list, and then that value we are saving in the flag, and then we are simply asserting if it is true or not. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, so and here I'm closing the driver, so we can simply try to run it. Let's try to run it, and we should have some value in the console because we have used the system print. We have printed the values. Okay, so it navigated, so it got passed. So let's go to console. If okay, let's ignore this one, and you can clearly see that these all values it printed here, and you can compare it with the expected values. Okay, let's try to fail it. Let's try to fail. What I can do is I can simply put capital D here, and now let's again try to run it if it is working fine or not. So it navigated to the demo site and the session got failed, and simply we can go here and you can clearly check that it didn't printed after this because a session got failed here. Okay, so this is the first example of the Java Stream API that how we can use in the real-time automation script. I think this is the better idea to learn both Java Stream API plus how we can use it in the automation script. So I'm going to make more videos on this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to channel, and till then, take care and bye. Thank you.